feminine approaches. The teachers have also to deal with the gender limits that they have in the society and the community, especially with reference to the Pakistani context. The feminine approaches of teachers are believed to be all over the world the same, but especially we are talking about the teachers in Pakistan. The feminine teachers, they have more passion, intuition, sense of aesthetics, more care towards the students, spirituality, and understanding of the community. Having said that, it does not mean that the male teachers do not have it. There is a possibility that there are some male teachers who have similar approaches towards teaching. That is, they can have passion towards the children. They can feel that the children are facing some problems, and these problems are very sensitive for the students, and they are to be dealt with care. However, passion is supposed to be a female characteristic and comes under feminine approaches. Intuition. Intuition is largely found in women as a whole. Therefore, it would again come to the merit of the female teachers. By intuition here, it is meant that the female teachers usually have an intuition when something goes wrong with a student, or maybe it can be said that they have a sixth sense that something is going wrong somewhere. Again, it is also possible that the male teachers do have some intuition as well. But being men, they do not really rely on their intuition much. They want to look at the facts and things that are happening in reality. However, this intuition in female teachers sometimes is very useful, because before something is going to happen or before some destruction is going to take place in the personality of the student, they come to know that they have to be careful with dealing with that child and the family. And in some cases, they also inform the parents that these are the signs they are noticing in the personality of the student, which can lead to some harmful effects later on. Therefore, this intuition, which is again called to be a feminine approach towards teaching, is mostly found in the female teachers. And it can be very helpful in the sense that it is like doing the work before something happens. It is like precaution. As they say, precaution is better than cure. So sometimes the intuition the teacher develops is like a precaution, and they can then take the steps or inform the family, discuss about the issue, and find out some solution about it. Another factor that is called the feminine approach is of aesthetics. The female teachers, they tend to have some aesthetics, as is very clear from their gender. We all know that women have a sense of aesthetic, and they always try to implement that in their household by taking care of the children, in their family, in their homes, and if they are professionals, at their professional place. So, when the teachers are dealing with aesthetics, they really take care of it, that they provide the joy of enjoying those aesthetics. Usually it has been noticed that the female teachers are good artists. They are good drawing teachers. They help the students to come up with creative skills in the art. But that does not mean that the men cannot be artists. Of course, we have the example of men being great artists, but this is with reference to teaching approach. The teachers might find some aesthetic ways to teach things. It is in their nature to bring out some aesthetics while working on things. Like, for example, making the class more colorful, dressing up themselves in colorful clothes to make the students happy and attracted towards them. Then, as mothers, because they are used to taking care of children, they show more care for the students and their families and the community.